My name's Jack Harrison, and I'm the head survival instructor here at Adventure Out. In our one-day survival class, we talk about what we consider your basic biological survival needs: shelter, water, fire, and food. The debris hut is the ultimate survival shelter. Okay, I'm gonna split you into two groups. You guys are gonna have 40 minutes to build one-person shelter per group. You'll get all of the bitterness out of those acorns, and you'll have an excellent source of fat and carbohydrates that's unrivaled out here in the woods. Everything you do has to be thought of in a manner of like, is this a smart investment of my calories and water? Fluffy stuff is excellent tinder, high quality fluff. Once I get smoke, I just want to keep that cadence going. Gently fan it with your hand. And blow right into there.